What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm obviously back for another one. I was gonna do something fucking dope today, but didn't go as planned. So I'm still gonna do something else. As in that, something else is gonna be we, and you'll see who. Um, that's I'm guessing the good news, but I got bad news, like really bad news, and that is my car's clutch went out. So let me tell you guys a story. So I'm starting to use my car already. I got everything ready on it. It's all prepared and shit. And I started using it on Wednesday. I was using it Wednesday, Thursday, and then yesterday was Friday. And so I was on my way to pick up my girl in the morning, and it was driving normal and shit, everything. Next thing you know, I was on my way to school after that. So I get out of the house, reverse it. The shifter felt kind of loose, and I was like, oh, it's kind of weird, But I was like, I don't know. I wasn't really thinking much at the time. But then I was going to the street and it was started getting looser and looser. The clutch was still like pushing in, pushing out like normal and shit. But then after a while, I started like I got to a stop sign. After that stop sign, I started letting go of the clutch, put the gas. Next thing you know, that shit was just revving and revving and revving louder and louder. But it wasn't going anywhere until maybe like 10 seconds after it started reacting, and then it started going first gear, second gear. But I swear to you, the shifter was like all over the place. So I stopped on the side. I even tried to put it into reverse, and excuse my dog, guys, but I even tried to put it in reverse and it would go forward. So I don't know, I was lost. And then I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna risk this. I'm not gonna take it anywhere else, because on the way back, I'm gonna get fucked over. Now I don't want to tow it. And I was probably like 5 minutes, 6, 7 minutes, I don't know, away from my house. Started going, halfway going to my house, you see smoke coming into the fucking car. It smells like burnt clutch. It was all bad. But yep. Long story short, my clutch went out. It gave out, and I got lucky that I at least made it to my house, because I wasn't gonna pay for a fucking tow. Like, I'm already gonna pay for a clutch, and probably won't be as much. It's not gonna be a lot, not too expensive, thank God. But imagine if I had to pay for the tow, like fuck that. So I forced that shit back home. It was smoky, I'm telling you, all that burnt clutch. It probably still smells like it right now inside of the car. But that's what happened. And the other little surprise, which is at least good news for me and for a few others, you guys are gonna have to wait. Alright guys, today's a new day. Today is actually Sunday, and yesterday I didn't get what I had to get. It's all bad, but maybe later today, hopefully soon. But at least the good side is I got my ghetto mods that I'm gonna do today. I asked you guys on Snapchat, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, if I should do some tire letters, and guess what? Here they are. So right now, I'm just going to get these. As you can see, let me lay them out. I showed you guys last time, at least a while ago, that I was gonna do this. No good. And racing on the other side. But I got my tape. Last time I used, let me check it out. Let me see if I have it here. No, I actually don't. But I had like a little spray, whatever, something like this. But it was to stick on. It was adhesive actually, and I would put it in the back of this paper. It would stick onto the tire. But I don't know how to feel about that. So that's why I'm gonna just get tape. Tape it from this side right here, this side down here, and well, let's see how it's gonna end up. Obviously, you guys know I'm gonna do it with spray paint, so let's see how it goes. Okay, y'all, so in my opinion, I'm gonna be honest, the tire letters came out jank as fuck. I did them pretty quick. I didn't take my time, but it's just a quick project. It was a ghetto do-it-yourself way anyway, so I can take the paint off anytime I want. It's gonna take a lot of time, but I ain't really tripping. I'm gonna show you guys the results. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think they're cool, comment down below. If you guys want to roast the shit out of me, comment down below anyways. So, check them out.
We got London on the track. First you get that money, then you get that power. If he tune in, knows up, but he on that powder. Now you walk around with 50 in your trousers. Diamonds bullying on my chest, no fucking blouse. Bitch, I make it rain shower. You dig that? They wanna know a thing about you if you zip that. Kill them with that blocker, nigga, get back. Feed that bitch that never crack, get that. Before I